name is Laveta Hayes, and with Living Legacies with Laveta. In this season, I invite you to wake up America. Finances and budgeting in our community is dramatically unaddressed. So with this in mind, I would like to provide you some tips for saving for your future. Tip number 1, make a list of all the things you want to accomplish in life. Envision your prosperous and financially secure. Number 3, open a savings account because life happens. Number 4, also open a retirement fund you will need with your fabulousness mentioned in tip number 1. Automate your savings, tip number 5. Number 6, take advantage of tax-deferred accounts. Wake up, America. Life is beautiful and it can be a marvelous future. If you enjoyed these tips, if you have questions on finances, and you have a family and college planning in your future, join me and my team every Thursday online, 7 p.m. Free financial workshops. Sign up on our website, on Facebook, or call us. We will give you all the details of the workshop. I will see you soon, and I look forward to meeting you. Wake up, America. I am Laveta Hayes with Living Legacies with Laveta. See you soon, in person or online.